Hello everyone. The pre-order website module enables customer to pre-order products which are out of stock and the company can deliver the stock which is pre-ordered. This module helps in maintaining the quantity of the product and profit can be maintained. Now on the shop page, pre-order ribbon will be there on the website page. To configure that one, we need to get into an website. Under the configurations, we can see and pre-order. Let's get into that. So from here, this is the one which I have created for the configurations. So here you can see I have added the pre-order. So to active this configurations, you can just enable this option, and we have an payment type. Here we can mention the payment type as percentage and also by using the fixed amount. Okay. And here you can see an option to add an label. Okay, so from here you can add an label for adding that particular button into the cart, and here you can see an expiry date. If needed, you can just enable this option. It will add an expiry date at the time of pre-order page. Okay, and here you can see allow to show a minimum and a maximum quantity. If you have enabled this option, it allows user to add a minimum and a maximum quantity for pre-order, and also user can see and allow pre-order when the product quantity is less than or equal to which amount. You can just mentioning a quantity of each and every product. Okay, and here we can see in custom messages. For custom message, you can add the custom message. If it is any warning, you can just add a warning here, and you can add an conditional message. You cannot add another product in the cart which is in pre-order quantity. If it is a conditional message, you can just make use of it. Okay, and you can see in pre-ordering amount visible on the product. If yes, you can just enable this option, and you can see and mail, and you can see if ordered, it will automatically send a mail to the customer. If it is automated, you can just make use of this, and if you need it as a manual, you can just make use of the manual to use that as a manual. Okay, so once this configuration is done, now let's get into the product. So we all know that the products which are in the zero quantity will be in a zero quantity or configuration based on the configurations, right? So here we can see in configuration based on this quantity, it will be showing a pre-order tag on the website page. Now let's get into the products. Okay, so from here you can see, and this product will be having an zero quantity, right? Office lamp, this product having an zero quantity, and you can see which is available for pre-order. So in this product form, if you have enabled and available for pre-order, here you can see in configurations like it will be override and pre-order configurations that we have made before. Like in the case, if you need to add an expiry date for each and every product, you can make use of this option to add an expiry product for each and every product. So if you need for all, you can make use of this. Okay, and from here you can see I have added an expiry date. If needed, you can just enable this option. It will allow user to see an expiry date for this product specifically. Okay, and here you can see allow pre-order when the quantity is less than the same configurations which is under, and configuration is there in the products too, like payment, and also you can see in minimum quantity and maximum quantity. Okay, so from here let's get into an website. Now gets into the shop. Now we need to get into that particular product. You can see this product is available for pre-order. Now customer can get into that particular product, and there they can see all the informations like pre-order policies. So the minimum quantity will be 5 and the maximum quantity will be 10 or allowed for pre-order, which are the configurations that we have made here and also here. Okay, so it will override, so it will see only that particular informations which is given in the products alone. Okay, and here you can see an order available for this amount. This expiry date needs to be shown in this order, and you can see that it is ready for pre-order, which is in configuration that we have made here. Okay, custom message. So from here that customer can see the minimum quantity is automatically set. Okay, if customer tries to gets into n1 or 4, it's not available. And in case if they have increased the product more than the 10 that we have set as a maximum quantity, it will showing in a pop-up that is an warning like this: you are trying more than that available quantity for this product, which is defined in the conditional message. Okay, now let's order that. Okay, now you can see in 10 quantity will be ordered. Now let's process this. So once everything is done, that particular order will be placed on the website. So let's get into the website. So from here in the website page, we can see all the orders that we have placed. Okay. So this is the order that we have placed. Now you can see that amount, which is 400. Okay. This is the one. And also user will get a mail regarding this order that they have placed, that they have a pending order. Pending order mail is also available. So let's get into that emails. So from here you can see an emails. You can see that the pending order for this particular customer will be available, and this particular email will be sent to the customer automatically. So from here user can see an pre-order confirmation email. Once you get into that, there you can see an product is not available in stock. So let's add the product in the stock. Okay. Okay, now we have added that particular product into the stock. That quantity will be added. Now let's click on an pre-order confirmation email. Once the product is available in stock, there will be an email to the customer about a product being available. So from here you can see, and your product is now available email will be sent to that customer. In this way, we can make use of this module to maintaining quantity of stock and profit can be maintained. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about and website related module, check our browse info playlist to see all newly updated website features that we have. Thanks for watching.